Hey, are you looking to get into the woodworking industry to make some residual profits? Woodworking is a very lucrative industry that anyone can get into to become self-sufficient, or sell your crafts for some extra income. Many people when getting into woodworking make costly mistakes, resulting in the damage of their equipment and investments. Anyone can get into woodworking and make some income, but you have to know what you are doing in order to profit from this lucrative industry. Woodworking for Beginners is an ebook that will give you step-by-step guidelines to becoming a successful carpenter, even as a beginner. In detail, you will discover what type of projects you can start with as a beginner, how to prepare the right workspace when working on your projects, get guidelines on picking out your wood for your different projects. You will learn about creating woodworking drawings, and drafting them, how to make money from your projects and pay your bills. This ebook is all about rewarding woodworking. Get started with profitable woodworking. Click on the link, and get yourself a copy of Woodworking for Beginners. The best part about woodworking is that anyone can do it. Men, women, even children. If you want to make a career in woodworking, then it is indeed an excellent idea. There are many examples of people who have become rich by owning their own woodworking business. Well, what are you waiting for? Click on the link, get yourself a copy of Woodworking for Beginners, and start producing your very own woodworking crafts, without the fear of failure.